Cuckoo bird. The cuckoo family of birds is interesting for many reasons. While some of the facts about the bird are overblown, such as their reputation as parasitic birds, there is some truth to the lore. Some species of the family do lay their eggs in host nests, leaving the host to raise their young. The family contains 127 species of birds, however, and many raise their young on their own. Some species lay their eggs in communal nests, sharing the responsibility. The parenting behavior of the cuckoo family is one of the most diverse and interesting facts about them. Males make a distinctive call, which is the meaning behind the cuckoo name. When you hear the call, you will immediately realize why the bird is called the cuckoo. 3 incredible cuckoo facts. Some species have laid their eggs in other birds' nests. Once the young hatch, they push the host bird's eggs out of the nest to eliminate competition for food. The roadrunner is a member of the cuckoo family. The greater roadrunner can reach speeds of 26 miles per hour on foot. The smallest cuckoo species, the little bronze cuckoo, weighs about 17 grams. We're defined cuckoos. These birds can be found on every continent except Antarctica. They live in forests, grasslands, and other environments. Scientific name. The scientific name for the cuckoo is Cuckoolidae. Appearance. With 127 species making up this family, it is difficult to accurately describe the bird. Some key identification points of the family are the feet and the tail feathers. All members of this family have zygodactyl feet, meaning its 2 inner toes point forward while its 2 outer toes point toward the rear of its body. Most species in this family have long tail feathers. The tail is used to guide the bird, both on land and in the air. One behavior that makes identification of the cuckoo easier is their solitary nature. These birds rarely gather with others, either in pairs or groups. The birds in this family are most often active during the day and shy away from humans. The eager birder will have more luck listening to the sound of its song than seeing it. Insects, caterpillars, and fruit make up the bird's diet. Predators and threats. Fledglings are vulnerable to raids on their nest by snakes and raccoons, while adult birds may fall prey to predatory birds, such as hawks. Reproduction, babies, and lifespan. The various species of cuckoo birds have different mating and breeding behaviors. Some are monogamous, generally, the same species that are migratory. Some species lay their eggs in communal nests. The act that cuckoo birds are known for, which is laying their eggs in nests belonging to other birds, is not typical of the entire species. Some species are known for finding host birds, where they lay their eggs. The host bird then raises the cuckoo as its own. There are an estimated between 25 and 100 million birds,